Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence. Now, maybe you've been listening to me throughout this series. You've finally gotten on Instagram, or you've been on Instagram for a while, but you didn't know what you were doing really either which way. If you're wanting to know how to grow your Instagram Reels following, then you're in luck because today's video is all about how to grow your Instagram Reels this week. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're doing business online today. Now, if you're at all needing a 2020 Instagram marketing strategy, an overall strategy that works despite the fact that you've got a busy entrepreneur mom life, you're super busy, but you do recognize what Instagram can do for your business, so that's why you're giving it a whirl. Well, I covered 4 different things to consider or implement so that your 2020 Instagram marketing strategy can really do your business some good, both now and later. So if you missed that most recent video in this series, be sure to check it out. But here in this video, we're talking about how to grow your Instagram Reels this week. What's some actionable steps that you can take that might just really help your Instagram Reels following and your Instagram accounts following overall to grow? Well, I've got a few action steps that you can take that's more Instagram Reels specific for you to consider. Reels growth tip 1, have fun. Now, if you've been too straight-laced and adult without having any fun at all with your other Instagram content, I'm not criticizing you or anything like that, but do resolve to have your Reels videos that you put up over the course of the next week be fun. Then you're more likely to follow through with your Instagram Reels-based marketing efforts for your business because they'll seem like less of a chore. Be upbeat, share a tip in a lighthearted way. You've only got up to 15 seconds max, so it's not like creating each reel, or even 3 of them all in one clip, should take you, once you're used to things, more than 30 minutes or so. You don't need music in your reels, so if you feel like you can't find any music to fit your taste, then just talk to the camera, all 15-second radio spotlight style, and make an announcement or give a call to action to visit the link in bio for a coupon good for 20% off their next purchase, announce a product collection launch or retirement, drive traffic to your profile's feed for an informative feed post or carousel post that's a useful resource, drive traffic to your latest IGTV video you put up, announce an Instagram live you're going to do in X amount of minutes from now, but have fun doing it. Be fast and efficient. Fun content is more fun for you to create, kinda obvious, and more fun for your audience to enjoy, so they're more likely to follow your account if you showed up on their Explore page, and or they're more likely to engage with your Instagram story and or feed post content after they've discovered or rediscovered you on Reels, because you're fun and they want more of that, whether your Instagram content is predominantly educational, inspirational, or entertainment based. So promise me and yourself no going crazy with high production value on these 15-second clips, especially when it's really not necessary or realistic. You are, after all, very likely an entrepreneur mom, an entrepreneur parent living a very busy entrepreneur mom life. High production value is a lot for you to sweat, and that's not fun, and you're not going to follow through on Instagram Reels content creation if you do that. So don't make this a chore. Don't overthink it. And make sure that you follow the next tip, which is Reels growth tip 2, optimize properly. Don't publish Reels content without optimizing them to the maximum capacity. They're 15 seconds, sure, but make sure that you double down on the 2,200 characters that each Reels caption allows you to take advantage of, which means you're going to increase the likelihood of being found in organic search. Instagram, to me, is a social media search engine. So optimizing properly, is forgetting that your Reels content is a mere 15 seconds long a piece, and instead remembering that you have 2,200 characters of space to pack with an interesting hook to get them to read the rest of the caption itself, with the remainder of the caption being keyword rich and containing up to the 30 hashtags maximum that you're allowed to use. Use all 30 hashtags to give each super easy piece of Reels content to produce the ability to generate traffic to your business on Instagram via your business profile so that you can do more business. We make a lot of sales, my students and I, in the DMs on Instagram, like a lot. Given all of the extra sweet organic reach that Instagram Reels are getting on Instagram right now, you're missing out on so much if you don't publish Reels content at all or much, which leads me to the next tip. Reels growth tip 3, increased frequency. I'm not saying you need to publish 10 or 20 times a day, mama, so no worries. It's your business, literally and figuratively, so you do as you wish and I'll happily respect you. But I do think you should be posting a reel around 3 times a day. How does this show up in the life of a busy entrepreneur mom? Publish a piece of Reels content once around breakfast, once around lunch, once around dinner time. At least triple your frequency if you've been pretty good about publishing a reel daily. And then tell me if that doesn't help you out in the comments section below in this video. If you're a mom that's eating a meal and or feeding the kiddos a meal, that's your reminder to prepare a reel before or after the meal. Ooh, it rhymes, doesn't it? Reels around meals. Nice. Know what else is cool? Instagram wants Reels to succeed so much that it's given you the options to take that reel just before you publish it as a reel itself, to publish it in your Instagram story and your Instagram feed itself, as a feed post as well. Kill 3 birds with 1 reel stone, you busy mama you. And you know what else? That alone should really pump up your Instagram jam. If you're following all the tips I've just given you, your Reels content will be catchier, attracting more traffic to your Instagram business profile and getting you more conversions as a result. Sales anywhere, including on Instagram, are a matter of math, probability, and statistics. The more people you feed into your funnel, the more conversions over time you'll enjoy. More people following your profile, more people opting into your email list through that being the link in your bio, not your website. You can provide them with the link to your website or shop in the email, delivering them the coupon or other email opt-in bribe, as they call it. And the more people sooner or later that will be turning in that coupon to give you a sale. Look, I've got other videos coming up in this series that'll show you how to plan out content and how to set up a useful content calendar. All the things that'll help. But if you just make sure that you're optimizing your content as best you can, that you publish to Instagram overall and via Instagram Reels specifically, and that really should help too. So make sure you hit that notification bell and select all so that you can follow along with this entire Instagram series that I've got to offer you. In the meantime, while you're waiting for the next video in this series, be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos as well. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.